Despite the 60-day lockdown, corona cases in the country show exponential rise. In past 24 hours, India reports around 7,000 COVID-19 cases. Total tally now 1.39 lakhs. Domestic flights finally resumed. Dabolim gets 3 flights on Monday. No flights come from Mumbai. SSC English paper generates a controversy for reference to why Goans acquire Portuguese passports. BJP demands action against all involved. Archaeology Department neglects 17th century Mughal era Bicholi Namazgah. There is not even a road to go there. I'm Anjali and now the news in detail. Even as the country is seeing record number of COVID-19 infections, domestic airlines restarted on Monday. Goa saw 3 flights, 2 flights from Delhi and 1 from Bangalore.
No flights came from Mumbai because of no time and other issues. Many of the flights that were supposed to come had to be cancelled because there were no sufficient passengers.
जो 15 फ्लाइट्स थी उसमें मेजॉरिटी की फ़्लाइट्स हमारी बॉम्बे से थी, लेकिन बॉम्बे में जैसा आपको पता है कि कुछ नो टाइम रिस्ट्रिक्शन किया गया है वहाँ पर कि वो लिमिटेड डिपार्चर्स और लिमिटेड अराइवल होंगे, इसलिए जो बॉम्बे से आने वाली फ़्लाइट्स थी वो अभी कैंसिल हो गई हैं। और इसी तरीके से दिल्ली से जो 1-2 फ्लाइट आनी थी वो लोड कम होने की वजह से वो भी उनको कैंसिल कर दिया गया है। तो अभी हमारे पास जो 15 फ्लाइट्स आनी थी उसमें से सिर्फ 3 फ्लाइट आ रही हैं, 3 फ्लाइट जा रही हैं, जिसमें बेंगलोर इन्वॉल्व है, एक दिल्ली की फ़्लाइट है, 2 दिल्ली की फ़्लाइट है, एक बेंगलोर की फ़्लाइट है। तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा की SOP है, उसके हिसाब से जो सिस्टम है वो ये है कि आपके पास 3 ऑप्शंस हैं। एक, आप होम क्वारंटाइन कर सकते हैं अपने आप को, स्टैंप लगेगी आपको 14 डेज़ के लिए। दूसरा ऑप्शन आपके पास ये है कि आप अपना टेस्ट करा सकते हैं 2000 रुपये दे के। और तीसरा ऑप्शन आपके पास ये है कि लास्ट 48 आवर्स में आपने अगर कोविड टेस्ट नेगेटिव है तो आप मूव आउट कर सकते हैं। You see, we must understand one thing. Since it's the first day, when you start a process after a gap of 2 months, it takes time, and since there is a initiation of the process, and as well as some major airports are working in a very limited fashion, like Bombay and other airports, Hyderabad and other airports are not still functional. So this means that Goa International Airport was supposed to have 15 flights today, but because of that last minute changes in the schedule, so some flights have been cancelled today. We are connecting today with Bangalore and Delhi primarily. Bombay we are not getting any flights up till 30th. Our departure load is comparatively better, around 130 packs in each flight people are departing. And as you see, we have got the all touchless, contactless system in process for check-in and bag sanitization, and everything is taking place. Arriving strength is very low because it may take time for the masses to understand how they are going to be treated when they arrive into a particular airport, maybe at Goa or maybe any other airport. So our arrival loads are per flight around 30 to 35 passengers. But I'm very hopeful that in coming days, in 4-5 days time, this load is going to pick up.
2 महीने से वेट करो इधर आने को।
फिर गोवा में कौन है आपका इधर?
हमका इधर कंपनी का काम चल के कंपनी रोड के लिए आया।
अच्छा, इंडस्ट्री कंस्ट्रक्शन। कितना महीने से आप वेट कर रहे थे कि इधर आने के लिए?
2 महीने से वेट कर।
We came down by Ligo and only one seat, one passenger. So the flight was not loaded. The flight was good.
Were you longing to come home?
Yes, I was there from March.
Okay. Gone for a holiday?
I had gone to see my son because my daughter-in-law was alone, so my son was supposed to go to Spain. Then this was cancelled and I reached there. So from 25th, I was there. I was eagerly waiting. No one was doing anything for us. I was waiting for the Goa government to do something. Okay.
No, it's a good decision on the government as a domestic health flight on.
Yeah, it's very good. We're very happy about it.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 65 from Daboli.
The corona cases in India are surging rapidly. This is the 4th day where the cases have risen astronomically as in the past 24 hours. India has reported almost 7,000 COVID-19 cases, taking the tally to 1.39 lakhs. A biggest single-day jump of 6,977 COVID-19 cases were reported in India, a 6,000 plus score for the 4th day in a row. In last 24 hours, around 154 deaths were reported and 3,307 patients have recovered. India has reported 1,39,911 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and active cases have crossed the 77,000 mark. 4,021 deaths are reported and 57,720 patients have recovered. Maharashtra has crossed the 50,000 mark and is the leading state, followed by Gujarat 14,056, Tamil Nadu 16,277 and Delhi 13,418 cases. More than 1 lakh COVID-19 cases were reported worldwide in a single day. The COVID-19 cases have crossed 55 lakh mark. 3.47 lakh deaths are reported and more than 23 lakhs have recovered. Bureau Report, Guwahati 65. Sankoy and Chikali Biodiversity Committee celebrated World Biodiversity Day in a unique way. The people who fished out oysters, known as korpa or hati in local language, from creek were put back in the water by members.
Sankwal and Chikalim locals have once again reiterated their demand to declare Sankwal and Chikalim Bay biodiversity hotspots. Both the committees, along with the scientist Baban Ingle and Father Bomis Pereira, created awareness to revive biodiversity in the coast.
हालींच आमी वर्ल्ड बायोडायवर्सिटी डे सेलिब्रेट केलो ऑन मे 22 आनीक ह्या निमतान आमी चिंतलें की हे पळय जें नुकसाण ह्या उदकान पळय लोकांनी केलां हाडी काडून तेजे मातशें तरी आमी तें प्रिजर्व करून तेजेर बंदी हाडपाक आनी ते हाडे पळय लोकांनी काडून व्हेल्ले ते आमी हाडून हांगा रिटर्न आयज घातल्या एज पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड बायोडायवर्सिटी डे सेलिब्रेशन. आमकां भरपूर दुखता सांगपाक की आमचेच लोकल लोक हे हाडी वताय ती कालवं काडपाच्या जाग्यार हाडी वताय आनी हें नुकसाण करून दवरताय. सो आमी एक अवेरनस जनरेट करूं सोदताय की हे हाडी व्हरप न्हू तुमी कालवं काडपाच्या थंयच काडा आनीक आमकां जाय की हे आमची पळय बे आहा चिकाली आनी सांकवाल बे हाची गिरेस्तकाय वाडलोली.
Because we had heard about over extraction of shells and clams and even small baby shells and all. So we decided to come here, try to educate people and if possible try to put back the empty shells in the shore. While having a meeting here, informal meeting here, there were proposals to declare this site as a heritage site, heritage hotspot, biodiversity heritage hotspot site. So we have already resolved in past through our biodiversity management committee and even BHS has approved it to declare this site as a biodiversity heritage hotspot.
हे सृश्टीन जें कितें आहा तें आमकांच लागून दिल्लें आसा पूण सगळें जरी तर आमी एक बराबर हरपून काडलें जाल्यार मागीर कितें उरता. आतां हो आयचो आमचो प्रयत्न करीत भाशेन हितूंतल्यान घडये आयज व्हडलेशें जावचें ना पूण एक संदेश आयज आमी दिवपाक सोदता करीत भाशेन की आमी हावया जें कितें आमकां दिल्लें आसा ताचो आनंद घेवया पूण ही सृश्टी सांबाळुया.
Now the reason we are here today for the oyster and these are the oysters. This is a home for these oysters. Oysters, as we all know, these are the all mother shells. This will be roughly 8 to 10 year old. This big what we are seeing 8 to 10 year old. They can grow if the conducive environment is there. They can survive for almost 10 years. So this will be 8 to 10 years old and what is required for them is the most important is the dead shell or live shell because they release the eggs will be in the water and this bay is unique again, it retains the larvae here, it doesn't allow it to go out. Once they go out they will go anywhere like Shinane, we get Shinane Goi Patta. So they will be retain the larvae here, they hatch because they don't have shell, they are swimming. So they will be swimming in the bay only and once they grow appropriate size, they start developing hard shell. But before developing hard shell, they are swimming and they have to come back to the home.
Hirumale for Goa 365 from Chikali.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Goans opting for Portuguese passport featuring in the SSC English paper has generated controversy. In one of the questions of the language paper, it says that Goans opt for Portuguese passport as it is difficult to get jobs in the state. BJP has reacted sharply to the attack on its government and demanded that the Goa board should immediately act against paper setters, coordinators and scrutinizers.
Class 10 student answered the English paper on Saturday. In one of the questions, there was a dialogue between two persons that had to be converted into indirect speech. The dialogue between the two friends goes as follows. Raisen to Kedan. What are your future plans, my friend? Kedan replies, how I applied for Portuguese passport as there are few job opportunities in Goa. Then Raisen replies, you have taken the right decision. Without influence and money, it's very difficult for Goans to get jobs in Goa. Watch how BJP reacted to it.
ज्या पद्धतीने क्वेश्चन्स विचारलेले असतात त्याच्या फाटले इंटेन्शन, त्याच्या फाटलो प्रेजुडायस वो खरें म्हणजे पूर्णपणे लक्षात येता. आणि अशा पद्धतीचे मोटिवेटेड, इंटेन्शनल आणि प्रेजुडायस्ड क्वेश्चन्स एक स्कुलान शिकपी विद्यार्थ्यांक मुद्दाम पद्धतीन अशा पद्धतीचो विचारपाचो जो प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा त्याचो भारतीय जनता पार्टी म्हणून आमी निशेध करतात. गोंय स्वतंत्र जावन आतां 60 वर्सां जात येतली. 1961 गोंय आमचें स्वतंत्र जालें आनी तेजे उपरांत आयज आमी पळयतात की आजुनूय कदाचित ही अशा पद्धतीचो मायंडसेट की पोर्तुगीज पासपोर्टाच्या संबंधान आसत, गोंयच्या विद्यार्थ्यांक भडकोवपाच्या संबंधांतलो आसत, हो जर शिक्षण क्षेत्रा भितर असोच उरतलो जाल्यार तेज्या संबंधान कडक कारवाई करपाची आवश्यकता आसा. आनी म्हणून गोवा बोर्डान ह्याच्या संबंधान इमिजिएट इन्क्वायरी इनिशिएट करून जे कोण हेचे खातीर रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसात, मे इट बी द पेपर सेटर, मे इट बी द कोऑर्डिनेटर, मे इट बी द स्क्रुटिनायझर, यांच्या विरुद्ध इमिजिएटली एक्शन घेवपाक जाय. आनी त्याच बरोबर आमचे अशें मागणें आसा की तांकां खंयचे हेजे मुखार बोर्डाचे खंयचेय पेपर सेट करपाच्या हेतूंतल्यान, प्रक्रियेंतल्यान, प्रोसेसांतल्यान तांकां गोवा बोर्डान डिबार करपाक जाय. जेणे कोणी हे क्वेश्चन सेट केल्ले आसात ते खरें म्हणजे ते गोंयांत रावतात, ते टिचर्स आसात आनी ते जर टिचर्स आसत जाल्यार तांकां डेफिनेटली ते ज्या इन्स्टिट्युशनान काम करतात ती एडेड इन्स्टिट्युशन्सच आसतली ना, बरोबर न्ही? एडेड इन्स्टिट्युशन्सच आसतली. तांकां सरकार एड दिता म्हणजे आमच्या तुमच्या गोंयकारांच्या टॅक्साच्या आदारांतल्यान तांकां पगार मेळटा. आनी जे हांगा नोकरी करतात ते आयज अशा पद्धतीचे प्रश्न विचारून जर भुरग्यांक भडकोवपाचो जर प्रयत्न करता आसत जाल्यार तेंचे विरुद्ध कडक कारवाई जावपाक जाय. तांकां डिबार हे निश्चितपणान करपाक जाय आनी गोवा बोर्डान ताबडतोब करचें अशें भारतीय जनता पार्टीचें म्हणणें आसा.
पॅटर्न ऑफ पेपर पळय आसा तो पयलीं डिसायड केल्लो आसता आनी एक पॅनल ऑफ पेपर सेटर्स आसता आनी एक तांचो कोऑर्डिनेटर. आदी 3 पेपर सेट करताले, आदी कितें करताले मिक्स करताले क्वेश्चन, तशा प्रकारे पेपर सेट जातालो. आतां इंडिव्हिज्युअली एक पळय आसा तो पेपर काडटा, 3 काडटा. पयलींचे केन्ना 2 पेपर जर आसले ते घेतात आनी पेपर त्या सेटरांनी काडले की ते कोऑर्डिनेटरा कडेन दिता. आफ्टर इट इज ओकेड बाय हिम, इट आर सील्ड and out of that 1 paper is taken for printing. This is the procedure. Therefore, to add to what बोर्डान एक्शन घेवपाकूच जाय. पण त्याच बरोबर आमी अशी मागणी करता, आय एम ऑल्सो इन द मॅनेजमेंट असोसिएशन ऑफ द स्कूल मॅनेजमेंट असोसिएशन, की एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटान एज अ डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन तेंचे घेवपाचे म्हणजे थ्रू द मॅनेजमेंट, बिकॉज वी डू नॉट नो एट द मोमेंट वेदर that particular paper setter is from government school. If it is from government school, of course the education department has the right to take disciplinary action against him. And if he is a management, private management, there are aided management, that management should be directed to take action against that paper setter.
BJP also took jab at opposition leader Digambar Kamath for calling Portuguese passport scenario in question papers as current situation in Goa.
लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन श्री दिगंबर बाब कामत यांचो एक काल ट्वीट वो त्यांनी पब्लिश केलो. खरें म्हणजे एक एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर, एज्युकेशन मिनिस्टर तेन्नाचे आनी राजकारणा भितर इतले वर्सां काम करतात आनी तेजे कडल्यान खरें म्हणजे अशा पद्धतीच्या ट्विटाची अपेक्षा नाशिल्ली की हो जो प्रश्न आसा वो प्रश्न जो आसा इट इज रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द करंट सिच्युएशन इन गोवा अशा पद्धतीचो वो ट्वीट आशिल्लो. शिक्षण क्षेत्रा भितर राजकारण करपा खातीर खूब गजाली आसात, त्या जाग्याचेर राजकारण करूं येता आनी तेजी माध्यमांय वेगळी वेगळी आसात, त्या माध्यमांतल्यानूय राजकारण करूं येता. पूण शिक्षण क्षेत्रा भितर अशा पद्धतीचे खरें म्हणजे जेन्ना प्रश्न विचारले वतात तेन्ना सगळे पॉलिटिकल ओपिनियन, सगळे पॉलिटिकल आयडियोलॉजी, सगळ्या पद्धतीचे पॉलिटिकल प्रेजुडायसीस कुशीन दवरून खरें म्हणजे ह्याचो निषेध हो जावपाक जाय.
While BJP South Goa wing also criticized the question paper.
कारण शिक्षण क्षेत्र ज्या क्षेत्राक आमी पवित्र क्षेत्र मानतात त्या क्षेत्रांतल्यान राजकारण करपाचो प्रयत्न जावप, त्या क्षेत्रांतल्यान भुरग्यांची मनां दूषित करपाचो प्रयत्न जावप, त्या एज्युकेशन क्षेत्रांनी जातून भितर ती एग्जामिनेशन, त्या एग्जामिनेशनाच्या प्रश्नाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान लोकांच्या मनात चुकीच्यो आयडियाज भरोवपाचो प्रयत्न करप हाजो सगळ्यांनीच निषेध करपाची गरज आसा.
संदीप तुयेकर आणि श्याम चारी for Goa 365 from Margaon, Panaji.
The body of a 24-year-old youth, Shubham Patil, who drowned in Madhe River at Bironda, was found on Monday. Patil had drowned on Sunday. Firefighters started search operations after his friends alerted them that he went missing while swimming. Finally, his body was fished out on Monday.
A picnic during the lockdown turned into tragedy for a group of 6 picnickers after the 24-year-old youth drowned while swimming with friends. The group of 6 from Bicholim had gone to Bironda Sattari for an outing. Firefighter officer B. Egavas gave details.
कुमार शर्मा म्हणून आमकां 18:45 कॉल केल्ले बिरोडना कोण एक बुडला म्हणून आमी रोखडे गेले सर्च केले आमकां बॉडी मेळांक ना. आज आमी 7 स्टार्ट केले, आतां आमकां बॉडी मेळ्ळी ती म्हणजे हँड ओवर केली पुलिसां, फॅमिली आसली.
Aniket Narvekar for Goa 365 from Bicholim.
There is no proper road towards Bogmalo beach. The work was approved for road construction, but the process was stuck due to lockdown, complained locals. Local Sarpanch Lorena Dikuna said that the work would be undertaken in the next week. The road was destroyed due to storm in last November.
In November 25th, when a cyclone passed Goa, that is the time Orosta damage zala, and from that time onwards, Sir Mobin is and coordinating with us, and आमी पंचायत सराला coordinate जायन procedure चालू हाडलो. प्रोसिजर जावच्या टायमार डेडलायन आमकां एप्रिल एंड पासून कंप्लीट करपाची हाली आमी इन अ फूल स्विंग टू गेट इट डन, बट वी आर विथ द ब्युटिफिकेशन एंड द रिटेनिंग वॉल, बट ड्यू टू लॉकडाउन दिस वर्क वॉज पेंडिंग. वी हैव गॉट ऑल द ऑथॉरिटीज परमिशन्स एंड a temporary work I'm starting in next week.
Madam, what are the plans for this road?
Plans for this road, actually this is the only road which access to the home for the aged, and it needs to be done in priority. That is why Sir was after the panchayat, after the authorities to get it done on priority, but due to lockdown it was pending because no labours could be called due to social distancing and all, and that's why we could not get it done in urgent basis.
Madam, the beautification करपाचे.
What work is this? Yeah, beautification करतले. We are going to have a nice senior citizen sit out which is going to be done with pavers and all. So that is our future plan.
Madam, what about the toilet that is shifted?
Toilet, actually the toilet what is put over here, it was operational, but due to the same reason, because of the cyclone effect, the waves hit and some of the plumbing got damaged. So now repair work is going on, and but the position of the toilet, which is now at the moment, we are trying to shift it somewhere else where it cannot, it's not going to be affected on the beach side. So that is a basic thing what we have to do, and this toilet is also required because there is no changing room in Bogmalo, there is no toilet in Bogmalo. So this is one necessity which we want, and on priority we have already got in touch with the land owner, and Sir Mobin is going to take care of it, and he is also after with the toilet. But first priority we are getting the road done with the retaining. On temporary we are starting next week.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Bogmalo. We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The historic Namazgah of Bicholi, called Nimuzgo by locals, is suffering from lack of attention by the government and archaeology department. History says that Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj built this Namazgah in the year 1683 for Aurangzeb's son Muhammad Akbar. But now it's surrounded by mines. There is no proper way to the fort, and there are no visitors to this fort.
This Namazgah is situated on a hillock at Pachwada, in Bicholi, around 2 kilometers away from human habitat. Archaeology department has categorized this monument as historical importance, but there is no proper road towards this monument and no one is aware about the history of this monument.
आमच्या भाशेन आमी हांगा निमुजगांव म्हणटा. ल्हानपणा पासून आमच्या हांगासर म्हणजे चडसो टायम आमी हांगासर स्पेंड करतालीं. केन्नाय अशें दिसलें वचपाचें कशें जाल्यार हांगासून सगळो बिचोलेचो व्यू दिसता. जे पळोवपाक गेल्यार ऑलमोस्ट फूल बिचोली आनी एक बारीक बारीक अशे जागाय बीन अशें दिसता की त्यो खूब सुंदर आसा. पर्यावरण थंड आसा. हांगा येयलें की मनाक एक बरें उमेद येता सारकी प्रसन्नता कशी. बट येवपाक हांगासर अशें लोकांक सद्या वाट खबर ना. मेंटेनन्स सारकें ना तेजें. वाट करची, रोड करचो, मेंटेनन्स करपाचें, कित्याक ही एक अशी जागा आसा जी ट्युरिस्ट प्लेस जावं शकता.
आमी सद्या जे उबे आसात ताका नमाजगांव अशें म्हणटात. आर्किओलॉजीच्या बाबतींत ह्या जाग्याक खूब म्हत्व आसा आनी गोंयान ज्या प्रमाणे हाचेर लक्ष दिवपाक जाय आशिल्लें पण तशें लक्ष गव्हर्मेंट धर आनी कोण ऑथॉरिटीज आर्किओलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट ताचेर दिनात. पण ह्या जाग्याक एक खूब म्हत्व आसा. ताचेर लक्ष दिवपाक जाय आनी ताची राखण जावपाक जाय. पण सगळ्या वाठारांत भोंवतणी मायनींग असल्या कारणान हांगा ताचेर लक्ष दिनात अशें दिसता.
Taxi operators are gearing to restart after a lockdown of almost 60 days. Here are local taxi operators and the app-based Goa Miles giving details after the first flights arrived on Monday.
Goa Miles have decided to operate intra-state taxi service. Goa Miles have also decided to reduce taxi fares due to COVID-19 lockdown.
We are also working on two things. It is that employee transportation आणि सेकंड म्हणल्यार जे आमचे 25% कस्टमर जे आशिल्ले ऑलरेडी गोंयांत पयलीं तुमी समज पळयत जाल्यार 75% टुरिस्ट आशिल्ले 25% आमचे हे आशिल्ले लोकल युजर्स आशिल्ले. इन्स्टेड ऑफ युजींग युअर ओन व्हेकल यू कॅन यूज द टॅक्सी एंड इन शेअरिंग बेजीस तुमकां पार्किंगाचो प्रॉब्लेम नासतलो आनी वी आर गोइंग टू टेक दॅट प्रिकॉशन्स की डेफिनेटली तुमी सेफ उरतले. आमी बऱ्याचशा गोश्टी आमी म्हाका तुमी तर पळयल्या की सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग आमी मेंटेन करपा लागून खूबश्यो आमी ट्राय करतात. म्हणटकीर आमी गोवा मायल्सान अशें ठरयलां की आमी आतां थोडे म्हळ्यार मेंटेन करपा लागून दोनी सायडींतल्यान विन विन सिच्युएशन जावपा लागून आमी थोडे आमचो रेट्सूय देंवयतले. फाटल्या दिसांनी हांवें आमचे जितले टॅक्सी ओनर्स आसा तांची सगळ्यांची हांवें मिटींग घेतिल्ली आनी मिटींग घेवन तांकांच सांगिल्लें की तुमी एक रेट सजेस्ट करात जो रेट तांकांय परवडटलो आनी तो रेट लोकल्सांकय ऑन शेअरिंग बेजीस वचपाकय परवडटलो. एट 99 रुपीज यू कॅन ट्रॅवल अप टू 4 किलोमिटर. आणि दुसरी आमी हे केला की सगळ्यांचे टॅक्सीचे आमी 3 रुपया पर किलोमिटर आमी आता रेट मातसो सकयल देंवयल्लो आसा.
हिरू महाले and Sandeep Tuyakar for Goa 365 from Vasco and Margao.
Savore locals stopped all transportation trucks on Monday. They say that trucks were seen running during the public holiday of Eid. The trucks were later allowed to operate after intervention of Deputy Collector and police. The remaining ore would be transported on Tuesday.
Punch Nitish Bhandari says Monday is a public holiday of Eid, but still all transportation trucks were seen running in queues in Sawadde. Locals stopped the trucks not to spoil mood of Muslim brothers during the festival of Eid. On Saturday there was an issue in KPM of trucks running during examination timings.
आयज आमची पब्लीक हॉलिडे आसली ईद आसली त्या निमतान हांगा मायनिंगान सगळो ट्रान्सपोर्ट भरून धाडला. त्या निमतान आमी आयज आमच्या लोकांनी आनी आमची सगळ्यान मेळून हो ट्रान्सपोर्ट बंद केल्लो आहा.
कितें आतां फुडें आतां तुमी कितें सांगलां तांकां?
ना तेंका सांगलां की ज्यो भरल्या त्यो सोडपाच्यो आनी हेजे मुखार तुमी येवपा ना म्हणून फुडें आनी दीसभर बंद करपाचो आसा. कित्याक लोक भोंवतात न्हू ईदा लागून कोणी मुस्लीम लोक आनी बाकीचे आनी आमचो कांय इशू ना तसो ट्रान्सपोर्टा हे बद्दल. ते मागीर फाल्यां त्यांनी चालू करपाक जाता.
Prav Sawadekar for Goa 365 from Sawadde.
With that, we've come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app both on Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching.